Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can remove image or video from Strip in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you should be in here in Wix, and when you're gonna be here, let's preview it. And as you can see, it's a video playing right now, right? What can I do is simply click on Strip and click Change Strip Background, and then I'm going to choose a color here. And I can simply choose like white, and voila, this is how you remove image or video from Wix background. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some stuff like that, like guidance, what to do, and yeah, you know how it goes, you know how it works. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.